Hello children, welcome back to English class again. So today we are going to learn a poem about the skylark. Page number 53, all open and see what am I reading children. Okay, I want you all to keep the finger as in school you all will keep. First I am going to read some information about the poem, that is about the Christina Rossetti. About the Christina Rossetti. She was born on December 5th in 1830. Christina Rossetti was born in London, England, one of four children of Italian parents. Her father was the poet Gabriel Rossetti. Her brother, Daniel Gabriel Rossetti, also became a poet and a painter. Rossetti's first poems were written in 1842 and printed in the private press of her grandfather. Okay. Christina Rossetti lived with her mother virtually all of her life. She never married, but her work is curious and raises interesting questions about how much it reflects her own life and her own beliefs. She was having her own some ideas and some goals in her life. See, here is a beautiful picture of the skylark. See here, this Christina Rossetti's poem brings out the beauty of English countryside, which is enhanced by some charming contemporary illustrators of the scene. The poet describes about the life and the nature in the poem. He says that the skylark singing is very beautiful and joyful. Even the butterflies were there to listen and confield. The poetess is the Christina Rossetti here because she is a lady. A lady poet is called as a poetess. The poetess tells that there was the nest of the skylark towards it goes. So let us come to the poem now from the reader. Page number 53, you all open. If we were there, we could have did this pre-reading activity. Do you get a chance to listen to bird singing? Of course, sometimes. Have you ever listened to the bird singing? Of course, sometimes. Or have you watched birds flying? That is definitely. When does a quail sing? Did you know? No, I don't know. How do you feel when you hear the quail singing? How do you feel? What feelings you want to express? Here you see, the earth was green, the sky was blue. The I saw and heard one sunny morning, it is morn. A skylark hang between the two, hang between the two. A singing speck about the corn. It was sitting on the corn. Here see the earth was green. It was a so the surrounding was green here. Plants were there, trees were there, the sky was blue. I saw and heard one sunny morning, what did the poetess listen? A skylark hang between the two. A singing speck above the corn was there. A stage below. Speck here means the tiny shape of the bird will be, small shape will be there, no children, that is called as a speck here. See here a singing speck of above the corn. A stage below in the gay accord. White butterflies dance on the wing. Here is a scenery. The poet is expressing the scenery surround what was there surrounded. About how the nature, about the nature, what how he was, how the poetess was feeling that time. Okay. White butterflies danced on the wings, and still the singing skylark soared, and silent sang and soared to sing. See here, children. What is the meaning of here? So, to fly high. To fly high here. The cornfield stretched a tender green to right and left beside my walks. I knew he had a nest unseen somewhere among the million stalks. It is searching for the shelter here. It is searching for the nest. It is searching for the shelter. It is searching for the shelter. A stage below in a gay accord, white butterflies dance on the wings, and still the singing skylark soared. It fly high and high again. The cornfield, cornfield will be there about the cornfield. Stretched a tender green, it was full of greenery to right and left beside my walks. I knew he had a nest unseen somewhere among the million stalks. Here the poet is expressing. And as I stopped here, as I paused to hear his song, while shift the sunny movement slide, perhaps his mate, here you see, his mate sat listening the long. Here mate is who? Is calling his friend or his his relative, whom with he was there with the pair. Sat listening long and listened longer than I did. Okay, I hope you all understood this poem. This poem was about the skylark searching the nests somewhere for the shelter. It was here. Stalk means a long and a narrow part of a plant here. Okay. Question answers part we will do in the next this children. Now you see I will read the meanings. Just you all listen to that. You all listen in page number 54 it is. You all should listen only. Skylark means what? A small singing bird. Speck, tiny shape of the bird. So to fly high. Shift, quick. Stalk, a long and a narrow part of a plant. I hope you all understood this poem, children. I want you all to read the poem again and again and just understand the feelings of the poetess here. How the poet want to express the feeling. You see, once more just I will read. The earth was green, the sky was blue. I saw and heard one sunny morn. A skylark hang between the two, a singing speck above the corn. A stage below in a gay accord, white butterflies danced on the wing. And still the singing skylark soared, and silent sang and so to sing. The cornfield stretched a tender green to right and left beside my walks. I knew he had a nest unseen somewhere among the million stalks, somewhere in the plants. It was just going on for the shelter, for the nest, but it did not find. And as I paused, I stopped to hear his sing while shift the sunny movements late. Perhaps his mate sat listening song, listened longer than I did. Okay. I hope you all understood this poem. Okay, children, let us meet in the next video about this poem revision only, and immediately after this poem revision, we are going to start revision for the FA also and for essay also, and these marks are very important. And as if we are saying and just if we are sending messages also, you all are not responding properly. Only few children we got the response. I want everybody to just take it serious and follow the instructions instructed by our school children. Okay, if you all want marks and want to take excellent, I want you all to complete your work in reading as well as writing. Okay, children, and again I am saying, please concentrate on studies. You will not get the time back. We are saying again, don't commit the same mistake, children. Please concentrate on studies, read, write, what all the subjects teachers will be saying. Please follow that strictly. Don't take it so easily. everything. Oh, they are saying in a video, let it be move. Don't do that work, children, please. We request you all. Yeah. Okay, I hope you all are good children and will do the instructions whatever we will say. Meet you all in the next video, children. Bye. See you.